Today, I'll walk you through the full UV heat transfer process for TPU 3D labels, from printing to the final result. First, place the TPU film flat on the 6090 UV Flatbed Printer. Start by printing the white ink to create better saturation and a solid 3D foundation. After the white layer is done, continue printing the color layer. The color layer brings out the full colors and details of the design. Finally, add the varnish layer to make the TPU label shinier, more three-dimensional, and more durable. Once printing is finished, place it into the cutting machine for contour cutting. After cutting, gently peel off the excess film around the design. Then use a laminator to apply the B film. Peel off the film on the back, place the pattern on the fabric, flip it over and press it. Set the heat press to 160 degrees Celsius for 20 seconds. When time's up, peel the film off. And that's it, a vibrant, durable, and fully 3D TPU heat transfer logo is done. Want more tutorials? Make sure to subscribe.